Hello, this is Matt, and it is here. The Pistol Packing Pilot Triple P GAW. And I would say, oh my God, it was a great GAW, right? 1,000 subs, 1,000 grams. How clever. Pistol Packing Pilot, I give you credit if that was intentional. 1,000 subs, 1,000 grams of silver, a kilogram. I am so excited to open this up. Pistol Packing Pilot P.O. Box. If you want to send him a thank you for me, there's his P.O. Box. All right, you ready to see what's inside? Let's go. I pre-cut the tape. Has a note. Ooh, I see some stickers. Even more stickers. Goodness gracious. We'll get into that. And the package. All right, so I'm going to put this down for a second. Should we go through the stickers first or the kilo? Let's look at the kilo. Oh my goodness. Pistol Packing Pilot is that's it. This thing weighs a lot less than a kilo. All right, just joking, guys. It is already here, bud. Look at this thing. In the shape of a Scottsdale stacker. The beautiful design. I love it. It says 2021, year of the ox. 1 kilogram fine silver. Sorry for the jump cut. I had to look at the reverse. It says Hanau. It says Herefus Edamatale Hanau. That is cool. Very cool. A kilo, 2021. Thank you, Pistol Packing Pilot. This was just a joke to go with the theme of the shout out video, of the threat video, of the retaliation video, right? That was fun stuff. This is awesome. So thank you, thank you, thank you. 1,000 subs, 1,000 grams. Whew. Let's get to the stickers. This is the Pistol Packing Pilot sticker. Gladys, the lady that steals all the gold. Oh, and the Plata kitty. The Plata kitty. I got kids in the house. Platypussy. Okay, I said it. Beautiful stuff. This was a great GAW. It was the GAW of the year. It was, oh my God, right? Again, kilo, stickers, Pistol Packing Pilot. He did not send me this. This is my kid's toy. But this was a great time. So thank you again, and I'll see you guys next time.